In this Ventra Pro video, we're going to be programming and installing a feed sensor. Once you have wired your feed sensor into your Ventra Pro, to finish programming it, you simply go to System Setup, menu arrow down to press Enter to add a control device. Once you are here, you scroll through the list until you find Feed Sensor. Press Enter. Since you can have multiple feed sensors, here we will number which feed sensor it is. In this case, it's the sensor number 1. Press Enter. Now we will put which zone the feed sensor is. It is in zone 1. Now we will program which module it is on. You will always be working with module 1 unless there is an expansion station on your system. Press Enter. Now we will set which channel on the analog input board the feed sensor is wired to. And in this case, it's wired to channel 13. We'll press Enter to confirm. Now to finish programming your feed sensor from the system setup, menu arrow to the left, sensor calibration and settings, arrow up, and you come to feed sensor number 1, minimum amps, actual amps. You will need to set your minimum amps at a number slightly less than what the actual running amps of your motor is, so that the sensor can detect that the motor is running. Once you set your minimum amps at the appropriate number, anytime the motor comes on, you can look here and see what your actual running amps of your motor is. Menu arrow down, and now we have our feed sensor number 1 cal value. The 100 is the default, and unless your feed sensor documentation specifies otherwise, all you need to do is leave it at 100. We have now set and programmed a feed sensor on your Ventra Pro.